It's me again, guys. So today I decided to make for you a simple classic lemonade drink. As you can see, I've pointed out the ingredients. Okay. So we'll start with the 1 cup of lemon juice. Pour it in your jug. Put that aside. Half a cup of simple syrup, which is 1 part sugar, 1 part water. Then you take your 4 cups of water, as I've measured already on the bottle. Pour it in your jug. Bling 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 bling. Take your stirring spoon. Stir, 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 stir. You stir more, stir, stir. Done. Okay, let me go and take my ice from the freezer. Okay. Take your glass. Pick your ice with the ice tongue. Place it in your glass. Okay, set that aside. Take your lemon wedges, make it the glass beautiful. Pick your lemon wedges, put it in the glass. Take one last one, squeeze it inside the glass, then drop it. Okay, let's put that aside. Take your glass, pour in some of that lemonade juice. Ooh, voila. Looks so tastes good, so refreshing.